Orangi Town, a place teeming with life. This sprawling settlement in Karachi, Pakistan, is a testament to human resilience and the enduring power of nature. Home to over 2.4 million people, it is one of the largest slums in Asia, and yet it pulsates with a unique energy. Orangi Town's story is intertwined with the ebb and flow of migration, urbanization, and the ever-present forces of nature. It is a place where concrete structures rise amidst rugged terrain, and life finds a way to flourish against all odds. This is a story of survival, adaptation, and the intricate relationship between people and their environment. It's a journey into the heart of Orangi Town, where we will explore the challenges and triumphs of a community striving for a better future. Let us delve into this vibrant tapestry of human endeavor and natural wonders. Orangi Town's geography is a tale of two forces: the unforgiving nature of the land and the relentless spirit of its people. Nestled in the heart of Karachi, this sprawling settlement is a testament to human resilience and adaptability. The people of Orangi have carved out a life amidst the challenging terrain, turning what was once considered inhospitable land into a thriving community. The terrain is a dramatic interplay of hills and valleys, shaped over millennia by wind and water. These natural forces have sculpted a landscape that is as beautiful as it is harsh. The valleys, with their fertile soil, provide a stark contrast to the rugged hills that surround them. This unique topography has influenced the way people live, work, and interact with their environment. Towering over the settlement are the Kasbah Hills, a rugged range that defines the northern boundary of Orangi Town. These hills are not just a physical barrier, but also a symbol of the challenges faced by the community. The rocky terrain is difficult to navigate, yet it provides a natural defense against the encroaching urban sprawl of Karachi. These hills, composed of ancient rock formations, bear witness to the passage of time. The layers of rock tell a story of geological upheaval and transformation, a story that is mirrored in the lives of the people who live here. The shadows that move across the hills throughout the day are a reminder of the ever-changing nature of this landscape. They serve as a stark reminder of the powerful geological forces that have sculpted this landscape. The ruggedness of the hills is a testament to the strength and resilience required to thrive in such an environment. For the residents of Orangi Town, these hills are both a challenge and a source of inspiration. Winding its way through the heart of Orangi is the Gujar Nala stream. This watercourse is a lifeline for the community, providing much-needed water for drinking, irrigation, and daily activities. The stream's path through the town is a reminder of the delicate balance between nature and human habitation. This ephemeral watercourse, often reduced to a trickle during the dry months, transforms into a raging torrent during the monsoon season. The seasonal changes in the stream's flow are a reflection of the broader environmental challenges faced by the community. During the dry season, water scarcity can become a critical issue, while the monsoon brings the risk of flooding and waterborne diseases. The Gujar Nala, a source of both life and hardship, plays a crucial role in the ecosystem of Orangi Town. The vegetation along its banks provides habitat for local wildlife, while the water itself supports agriculture and daily living. However, the stream also brings challenges such as pollution and the risk of flooding during heavy rains. Its presence has shaped not only the physical landscape, but also the lives and livelihoods of the people who call this place home. The Gujar Nala is a constant reminder of the interconnectedness of nature and human life. The residents of Orangi Town have learned to adapt to the stream's changing moods, finding ways to harness its benefits while mitigating its risks. This delicate balance is a testament to the resilience and ingenuity of the community. Orangi Town experiences a semi-arid climate, characterized by long, hot summers and short, mild winters. This unique climate shapes the daily lives of its residents, influencing everything from their routines to their traditions. The sun beats down relentlessly for most of the year, casting a harsh glare over the town. The intense sunlight is both a blessing and a curse, providing ample daylight, but also making outdoor activities strenuous. The relentless heat bakes the land, causing the ground to crack and dry up. This extreme weather tests the limits of human endurance, pushing the residents to find innovative ways to stay cool and hydrated. Temperatures can soar well above 40 degrees Celsius, 104 degrees Fahrenheit. During the peak summer months, the heat waves shimmer in the air, creating a mirage-like effect that distorts the landscape. This intense heat, coupled with high humidity, creates a challenging environment for both people and plants. The vegetation struggles to survive, and the people must constantly seek shade and hydration to cope with the oppressive weather. Winters, on the other hand, offer a brief respite. The air cools down, and the evenings become a time for socializing and relaxation. People take advantage of the milder weather to enjoy outdoor activities and community gatherings. The air cools and the days are pleasant. Families gather in parks and friends meet on street corners to chat and enjoy the cooler temperatures. It's a time of rejuvenation and preparation for the next cycle of heat. However, even during this time, the threat of drought looms large. The dry riverbeds and empty water containers serve as a stark reminder of the ongoing struggle for water. Water scarcity is a constant concern in Orangi Town, and the effects of climate change are already being felt. The community must work together to manage their limited resources and ensure that everyone has access to this vital necessity. Despite these challenges, life in Orangi Town adapts and thrives. The residents have developed a resilient spirit, finding ways to make the most of their environment and support one another. The people have learned to live in harmony with the rhythm of the seasons, adapting their activities and traditions to the changing weather. Community gardens and tree planting initiatives are just a few examples of their efforts to create a sustainable future. Their lives are intricately linked to the ebb and flow of the natural world. As the sun sets over Orangi Town, it casts a golden glow, symbolizing the enduring spirit of a community that continues to thrive against all odds. In the heart of this densely populated urban landscape, pockets of green offer a much-needed respite. These green spaces are not just patches of grass and trees, they are sanctuaries that provide a breath of fresh air and a touch of nature in an otherwise concrete-dominated environment. They are the lungs of the city, filtering the air and offering a place for residents to reconnect with nature. These green spaces, often community-maintained, provide a welcome escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. Volunteers from the community come together to plant trees, water the plants, and ensure that these parks remain lush and vibrant. Their efforts are a testament to the power of collective action and the importance of green spaces in urban areas. Archie Park, with its towering trees and vibrant flowerbeds, is a testament to the community's commitment to preserving nature. The park is a riot of colours, with flowers blooming in every shade imaginable. The scent of blossoms fills the air, creating a sensory experience that transports visitors away from the noise and pollution of the city. Families gather here in the evenings, seeking solace amidst the concrete jungle. They spread out picnic blankets, share meals, and enjoy each other's company. The park becomes a hub of social activity where people of all ages come together to relax and unwind. Laughter and chatter fill the air as children play, their joyous energy a reminder of the simple pleasures in life. The playgrounds are filled with the sounds of children running, climbing, and swinging. Their carefree laughter is infectious, spreading joy to everyone around. Data Negri Park, another green oasis, offers a similar refuge. This park is known for its serene atmosphere and well-maintained gardens. It is a place where people come to meditate, practice yoga, or simply sit and enjoy the beauty of nature. Its winding pathways and shaded benches provide a welcome escape from the midday sun. The paths are perfect for a leisurely stroll, and the benches offer a place to sit and reflect. The shade from the trees provides relief from the heat, making it a popular spot during the hot summer months. The gentle rustling of leaves and the sweet melodies of birdsong create a sense of tranquility. These natural sounds are a stark contrast to the constant noise of traffic and construction that fills the city. They provide a soothing backdrop for those looking to escape the chaos of urban life. Family Park, true to its name, is a popular spot for families to come together and enjoy the outdoors. It is a place where children can play freely, parents can relax, and grandparents can take a leisurely walk. The park fosters a sense of community, bringing people together in a shared space. The park's playground is always abuzz with activity, a testament to the resilience and joy of childhood. The swings, slides, and climbing frames are constantly in use, with children lining up for their turn. The playground is a place where friendships are formed and memories are made. These parks and others like them are not just patches of green, they are lifelines for the residents of Orangi Town. They provide a much-needed break from the concrete and asphalt, offering a place to breathe, relax, and rejuvenate. They are essential for the physical and mental well-being of the community. They are places where nature's healing touch soothes the soul and strengthens the bonds of community. In these green refuges, people find peace, joy, and a sense of belonging. They are a reminder of the importance of preserving and nurturing our natural environment, even in the midst of a bustling city. Orangi Town, despite its vibrant spirit, faces significant environmental challenges. Rapid urbanization coupled with limited resources has put immense pressure on the environment. Water scarcity is a pressing issue. The Gujar Nala, once a lifeline for the community, is now heavily polluted. Waste disposal remains a major challenge, with garbage often ending up in the streets or dumped in open areas. These issues are further compounded by the lack of adequate sanitation infrastructure. Sewage often overflows into the streets, posing serious health risks to the residents. The air quality in Orangi Town is also a concern, with vehicle emissions and industrial activity contributing to air pollution. Addressing these environmental challenges is crucial for the well-being of Orangi Town's residents. Sustainable solutions tailored to the unique context of this community are needed to ensure a healthier and more prosperous future for all.